Sai Ram, one and all. Dear students, we discussed about a boy. What was the name of the boy? Yeah, Oliver Twist. Who was Oliver Twist? Oliver Twist was an orphan. He lost his parents. Correct? Who named him Oliver Twist? Who named? Mr. Bumble. Mr. Bumble invented the name. Correct? Who was Mr. Bumble? He was the town beadle. Am I right? Correct. Then, what happened to the mother as soon as the child was born? What happened? The mother died as soon as the child was born. Correct? Next, how did Mr. Bumble treat the children? Mr. Bumble ill-treated the children. He starved. He did not give enough to eat. Correct? Then, last question for you. What did Oliver's friends want him to ask the master? Oliver's friends wanted him to ask the master for more. More what? More gruel. Am I right? Yeah. Come to the next part. Open page number 61, paragraph number 5. We shall continue. It happened one evening at supper time. The children were fed in a large stone hall with a big metal basin at one end. The master stood by the basin and served each child with a small bowl of watery gruel. Boys generally have excellent appetites. Oliver and his friend, his companions, were always hungry and never given enough to eat. That evening, one of the bigger boys stated quite clearly that unless he had an extra bowl of gruel, he would most certainly eat the boy who slept next to him. He had a wild and hungry eye, so the smaller boys believed him. A council was held. Oliver Twist was appointed to walk up to the master after supper and ask for more. More what? More gruel. Correct? So what happened? It happened one evening at supper time. Supper time means supper. Evening meal, evening food. Correct? Supper time. So it was evening. The children were fed in a large. So how were the children fed? The children means in the orphanage. The orphans were fed, passive voice, fed by whom? The others. Were fed, feed present. Feed, fed, fed. Feed, fed, fed. Were fed in a large adjective. Stone hall, it was a hall. With a big, it has a big what? Metal basin. Basin means what? A wide open vessel. Vessel means patre. Wide open vessel. ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು ನೀವು. Wide open vessel, ಪಾತ್ರೆ. So the master standing by the side of the metal basin, stood by the basin and served each child. Serve means ಬಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. Each child, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುವಿಗೂ, with a small bowl of watery gruel. So who served food to the children in the orphanage? The master. Standing by the side of the metal basin, he served each child, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನಿಗೂ, with a small bowl. Bowl means BOWL, a basin. A basin or a round deep dish for food, used for food. You might have seen the bowl. We use the bowl while having our food, correct? A small bowl. Then the master stood by the basin and served each child with a small bowl of watery gruel. Gruel, liquid food, meaning is given there in the textbook. Watery means diluted, liquid, ದ್ರವ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಂಬಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಅದೇ. ಸೊ ವಾಟರಿ ಗ್ರೂಯಲ್. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ appetites. ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕಲ್ಲು ತಿಂದರೂ ಕರಗುವಂಥ ಸಮಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಹೈ appetites means hunger. Appetites means hunger, desire for food, ಹಸಿವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್, ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹಸಿವಿತ್ತು. ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ appetites, ಜೀರ್ಣ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಲಿವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, were always hungry, always opposite never. They were always hungry, ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಹಸಿವು. And never given enough to eat. The authorities in the orphanage did not provide the children with enough food, enough to eat. So never given enough to eat. ಅರ್ಧ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. That evening what happened? One of the bigger boys, there were many bigger boys, he is one among them, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು. One of the bigger boys said, declared, what? Quite clearly, Q-U-I-T-E, very clearly. What did he say? Said that unless, unless he had an extra bowl of gruel, bowl of gruel, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಿಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? He would most certainly eat the boy who slept next to him. Definitely, if he was not given another extra bowl of gruel, he would eat that night, he would eat the boy who slept next to him. ಅವನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿದಂಥ ಹುಡುಗನ ತಿಂತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ. If he was not given. He had ಹೇಳುವಾಗಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. While uttering these words, while saying, while stating, what is the facial expression of that bigger boy? He had a wild, he had a fierce look, he had an angry look, he had a wild, not mild, opposite, fierce and hungry eye. His hunger was expressed through his eyes. His eyes told his behavior, told his hunger. So, hungry eye. So, the smaller boys believed him. Whom did the smaller boys believe? They believed him. One of the bigger boys' words. Believe, opposite. Disbelieve. Believe, disbelieve. Believed him. Belief noun. Believe verb. Belief noun, opposite disbelief. Believable adjective. What is opposite of believable? Unbelievable. Correct? Then, so they believed him. How to change it to passive? Boys believed him. This is in active voice. How to change it to passive? This is the verb. Believe present, believed past. So as it is past, so we should take either was or were. Correct? So him becomes he. Next you should write one of these. Which one? He means singular, was singular, so he was. He was believed by boys. His words played a role in changing the mentality of the other children. Believed him. Then what did the boys do? A council was held. A meeting was held. Council meaning is given there in the textbook. What is that? Meeting. A meeting was held. Why was the meeting held? Why? To discuss about the boy's desire. To solve the problem of the bigger boy. Correct? So a council was held. Hold, held, held. Passive voice. Oliver Twist in the council, in the meeting, Oliver Twist was appointed. Passive voice. Who appointed? Other boys. He was appointed by others. So Oliver Twist was appointed to walk up to the master after supper and to ask for more. Now the responsibility lies on the shoulder of Oliver Twist to solve the problem, to fulfill the desire of the bigger boy. He should go after the supper. He should ask for more, one more gruel, one more bowl of gruel. For whom? For the bigger boys. Otherwise, what will happen? Yes. Next, come to the next part. The sixth paragraph. The gruel was served out and was quickly swallowed. The boys whispered among themselves and forced Oliver to go. He advanced to the master, bowl in hand, and said in a little frightened voice, "Please sir, I want some more." The master was a fat, healthy man, but he turned very pale at this. "What?" he said, as if he could not believe his ears. Then Oliver repeated, "Please sir, I want some more." This is the word of Oliver Twist. He had no other way. He could not escape. He has to go. See, the gruel was served that evening. The master served the gruel. The gruel was served passive. Served out and was quickly swallowed. Swallow means drink. Swallow means eat. Send the food through the throat into the mouth. Swallow, nungu. How was the food swallowed? It was quickly swallowed, very soon. Why? Because the boys were very hungry. ಬಹಳ ಬೇಗನೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಂದುಬಿಟ್ರು, ನುಂಗಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ಗ್ರುಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನು was quickly, very soon. The boys, after taking the food, the boys discussed. The boys whispered. What is whisper? Speak in a low voice. ಪಿಸು ಮಾತಾಡು, ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ವಿಸ್ಪರ್ಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ವಿಸ್ಪರ್? ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್? Among themselves there were many boys, so among. If there are only two boys, between. There is a talk between the two boys. Correct? If there are many boys, many people, among the people. Correct? So among themselves, ಅವರವರೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಅಂತ? And forced. Force means what? Force means compel a person to do something. Compel. Force ಮಾಡುವಂತ, ಬಲವಂತ ಮಾಡು, ಹೋಗು. Forced Oliver to go to the master, and what should he do? He should ask for more. ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಬಲವಂತ ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. He has no other way. He advanced. Advance, verb, move. Where? Forward. Go forward. He went forward. He advanced. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೆದರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. To the master. Where is the master now? He is standing by the metal basin. After having his share of food, Oliver went there to the master. How? Bowl in hand. ಆ ಬೌಲನ್ನು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. And said, and conjunction, and said, ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, in a little frightened voice. Frighten, ಹೆದರಿಸು. Frightened, past participle of frighten, frightened, frightened. Here frightened is not the verb, it is adjective. Which voice? What kind of voice? Frightened voice. ಹೆದರಿದಂತಹ ಸ್ವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಡುಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸ್ವರವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅವನು ಹೆದರಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಎ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಫ್ರೈಟನ್ಡ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಸೇ? ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬೌಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಹೆದರಿದಿರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಸೇ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸರ್. ಹಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಬೌಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ whom he was demanding that? For another boy. The master, till then he was very calm. The master was a fat, opposite lean. He was not lean, he was very fat. The master was a fat, healthy man. He was a healthy man. He has food to eat. Boys do not have food. Healthy man, unhealthy, opposite. Healthy, unhealthy. What kind of man? Healthy man. But turned pale. Turn pale means bleach. Pale means become whitish. Brightness opposite. Pale, whitish. His face turned pale means he became whitish. Felt ashamed, embarrassed, become dull. Turned pale at this. This means the words of Oliver Twist turned him pale. He said he did not expect this type of behavior from the boys. What did he expect? He expected complete obedience from the boys. They should not question him. They should not attack him. They should not ask anything. They should be satisfied with what they gave him. But here, just opposite happened here. That is why he could not control his feeling. He shouted, "What?" He said, as if, how did he behave? As if adra hage, yavadra hage. He could not believe his ears. Kiviyanne namlik agಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ. He could not believe his ears. Did I hear this word? Then, please sir, I want some more. He repeated, please sir, I want some more. Come to the next 7th paragraph. The master, what was the response of the master? The master aimed a blow at his head, seized him by his arms and shouted for the beadle. Mr. Bumble rushed into the room in a great excitement and was filled with horror when he heard of Oliver's crime. Asked for more, he exclaimed, I never heard of such a thing. Depend on it, this miserable boy will be hung. This is the exciting words of the beadle. The master aimed a blow. Aim a blow means hit, means strike. He hit a blow, hit his head, at his head. The master who was serving the gruel to the boys, he aimed a blow at his head, seized him, S-E-I. Seize means catch. Seize means hold. Held him. Opposite, release. Seized him by his arms, caught hold of him and shouted for the beadle. Why did he seize him? Otherwise he would go, he would run away. To prevent that, he caught him and shouted for the beadle, called the beadle. Who is the beadle? Mr. Bumble. What did he do? Rushed into the room in great excitement, in great elation, in great emotion. He could not control his emotion. Excitement, rage, kopa, bhavadveka, and was filled with horror, bhaya, filled with horror. Who was filled with horror? Mr. Bumble. When he heard of Oliver's crime. So when he came to know that Oliver asked for more, he could not believe his ears. What did he do? He considered his work, Oliver's work, a crime, as a crime. Was he a criminal? Did he become a criminal when he asked for more? Is it that much of a what? Crime? Is it a crime? A great crime? No. He heard of Oliver's crime. What was the Oliver's crime here? Asked for more. That is the crime. Asked for more. Did he ask for more? He exclaimed, he shouted, I never heard of such a thing. A thing referred here, asking for more. I never heard. Nobody asked for more so far till now. Did he ask for more? Depend on it. Rely on it. This miserable boy, now he became a miserable boy. Miserable means sad, means wretched. Wretched boy, downcast, distressed boy. This miserable boy will be hung. Hung means he should be punished. There should be a punishment for him. This miserable boy should be hung, punished for his crime, he declared in the hall itself. Hung, past tense, will be hung. Hang, present. Hung, past. Hung, past participle. One more word is there. Hang, hanged, hanged. So that word is used in different situations. The criminal was hanged. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ hung, the shirt was hung, not hanged. Correct? So this boy will be hung. Hung means here the total meaning is punished. Who is the miserable boy? Oliver Twist. As a punishment, 8th paragraph. As a punishment for his greed and boldness, Oliver was immediately locked in a room to spend the night alone. Early next morning, a notice was pasted on the outside of the gate, offering a reward of £5 to any man or woman who would take Oliver Twist off the hands of the poor house. 8th paragraph. As a punishment, so he should be punished according to Mr. Bumble. For his, why should he be punished? Because for his greed. What is greed? Greedy dog. You might have heard the story. Greedy dog. Greed means excessive desire. Atyase anta. Excessive desire for more. Correct? Excessive desire. So greed and boldness. Bold, adjective. Bold means courageous. Bold, courageous. Boldness, courage. Fearless. Fearlessness. He should be punished for greed, for his greed and boldness. Fearlessness. He asked fearlessly, ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ, ಅವನು ಧೈರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅತಿ ಆಸೆಗೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Greed and boldness. What did he do? Oliver was immediately locked in a room. Who locked? Passive voice. Who locked? The officers locked him in a room to spend the night alone. He was not allowed to mingle with other boys. He was not allowed to mix with the other boys. Why? He should influence. He would influence others. That was the fear. He would motivate others. So he was locked in a room to spend the night alone. Early next morning, the next day morning, a notice was pasted. Pasted. Paste means to stick with a paste. ಅಂಟಿಸು ಅಂತ. ಪೇಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಆನ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗೇಟ್. On the gate, outside of the gate, there is a notice. What is that? Offering, giving. What? A reward, bahumana of 5 pounds. 1 pound. Pound, it's a official currency of UK, United Kingdom. Pound. 1 pound is equivalent to 97.41 Indian rupees today. 9/11/2020. That is 97.41 rupees. Astu pound. 5 pounds into 5. 5 pounds to any man or a woman who would take Oliver Twist off the hands of the poor house. So what was the reward? If a person is ready to take him away from the poor house, orphanage, he would be given 5 pounds. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಲಿವರ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಈ 5 ಪೌಂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಗೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಒಲಿವರ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಲೀವ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. The officers decided to send him away. Correct? What was the crime? What was the reason? He asked for more gruel. For whom? For the other boy. Correct? I think you understood the lesson. Read the 6th paragraph, 5th paragraph, 6th paragraph, 7th paragraph and 8th paragraph. Okay? Now I will give you some questions, so write down those. Okay? The first one is, where were the children fed? Number 2, who served food? Number 3, what food did they serve? Number 4, why were the boys always hungry? Number 5, how did one of the bigger boys threaten others? Number 6, why did the smaller boys believe his words? What did Oliver Twist ask for more? Correct? I think you can answer. We shall continue in the next period. Sai Ram.